Guangdong Chemite New Energy Technology Co., Ltd. Unveiling the manufacturing secrets of industrial air conditioners. Large air volume, far air supply, fast air change speed, and good refrigeration effect. Cooling and dehumidification. Function token cool and dehumidify in places with humidity requirements. Working in a place with a room temperature of 25-28 C increases work efficiency by 1.5 times compared to working in a place with a room temperature of 35 C. If you need an air conditioner, please contact